Ch5 review for solving inequalities. So on this first one, what we're going to have to do is multiply both sides by a -2. When we do that, anytime you multiply by a negative, you must flip the inequality. So those cancel and gives us an x. This must switch to a less than, to go the other way, -8. So at -8, x less than -8 is all numbers starting at -8 and to the left. Alright, so remember when the variable's on the left, so if it's on the left, then this goes the same direction as the arrowhead. Here, there's two ways to solve this. So what I'm going to do is just show you both here. Alright, so the first way is to distribute. That's probably your most instinctive way. You get 5p minus 25 is less than -20. Add 25 to both sides, and that gives you 5p is less than 5. Divide both sides by 5 and you get p is less than 1, which would give you an inequality of this. Start at 1, and you're going to want all the numbers open circle from here to the left. A little bit more efficient way to solve this. So if you divide both sides by 5, that reduces to a p minus 5 is less than -4. If we add 5 to both sides, we get p is less than 1. Same result. And that would be an open circle to the left. Okay. Another example here. So we have, I'm going to probably disregard this line because we don't really have enough room. Add 4 firstly. We get -8r is less than or equal to 16. Now we can divide by a -8. So when we divide by a negative, that causes us to switch the inequality. So that reduces to an r is greater than or equal to -2. Positive divided by a negative is negative. And that gives us -2. There's our 0 for reference. It's going to be filled in circle pointing to the right. Alright, so with these ones, it doesn't really matter which side we get the variable on. I'm going to get it on the left because I like my little variable on the left thingy points in the direction of the thingy rule. But so what we're going to do is add and subtract terms to isolate the variable. So minus 2n on both sides gives us 3n plus 6 is less than 15. So now I'm going to subtract that number. So I have the 3n alone over here. 15 minus 6 is 9. Divide both sides by 3 and I get n is less than 3, which would look like this. There's my 3, and less than 3 is going to be an open circle to the left. Alright, so there's the first 4.